So today I'll be showing you how to use the voice recorder app on your OnePlus 15. So this phone comes with a built-in voice recorder, and you can access that voice recorder by going to the app screen and maybe even searching recorder. This is the default voice recorder. Now these are previous recordings I've done before, but this is basically the interface of the voice recorder app. So to record a voice or whatever it is you want to record, simply tap on that. It starts recording, and you can see the time, and you can even see the graph of the highs and lows of your voice recording. You can pause your voice recording at any time and then continue recording. And then when you're done, you can tap on stop, and that's going to stop and save that voice recording. Now, every voice recording you record, you can long press on it, and then you have a couple of options. So you can share, you can move it to a different location, you can rename a voice recording, you can set any voice recording as a ringtone, or you can delete a voice recording. Okay. Now you can also select multiple voice recordings and move, delete, or share those voice recordings. Now I'm just gonna cancel that so I can show you something else. If you go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots and then tap on settings, there are a couple of things you can do here, you can change. So number one is the recording format. So by default, it's going to be an MP3. You can choose a different audio file format to record or to save your voice recordings in. So you have AAC and you have WAV, which is lossless audio, which accounts for much bigger file sizes. All right. But if you want that, you can change that. You also have recording mode, which is you have standard, you have meeting and interview. And this one's just play around with the voice and the sound. And for instance, if you set meeting, it makes the voices sound louder. Okay, so you have different types of recording modes. The default is going to be standard. Okay, and then you have the AI recorder assistant. This one automatically transcribes while recording and generates an appropriate name for the recording. So for this one, you have quarters, which is basically 100 minutes in a given time frame. And then you can choose which language you want your recordings to be transcribed in by default. And then the rest of it is just the version number of the app and whatnot. So you can go to any voice recording like this one, which I've previously recorded. Let's have a listen. You can even see the graph of the highs and lows of your voice recording. You can pause. Now, if you want to, you can use the AI clear voice to remove background sounds or background noises from that voice recording. You can also use AI summary to kind of summarize the contents of that voice recording. And also, if you want to transcribe, you can just tap on that, and then your phone will use AI to transcribe that voice recording. So let's just give it some time to transcribe. There you go. And then you have a proper transcript of everything that was in that voice recording. Now from here, if you want to, of course, you can copy. You can select the part of the voice recording or everything if you want to. And then you can copy, you can share, you can do whatever you want. You can even go into translation software and translate that particular transcription. So that is basically how to use the voice recorder app on your OnePlus 15. Now there's one more thing I want to show you. Now by default, if you connect either some headphones that have a microphone, most phones normally default to the headphones microphone, and that happens also if you connect some wireless microphone to your phone, it defaults to that. But with this one, whether you have one connected or not, you can go to the three dots in the top right corner and choose receiver mode. So if you tap on that, then that means this phone is going to be the receiver. And if you choose speaker mode, then you can use this phone as the speaker for your microphone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.